All right. 1-7, variables and algebraic expressions. A variable is a letter that takes the place of a number. A letter that takes the place of a number. X is used a lot for variables, but a variable can really be any letter. Constant is just a number that doesn't change. It's constant. It doesn't change. That makes logical sense. So constant is a number that does not change. It stays the same. It's a constant. So, if you have an algebraic expression like 2x plus 7, x is the variable, 7 is the constant. An algebraic expression is anything that has a variable in it. So, 5x, that's an algebraic expression. X plus 2, that's an algebraic expression. 7a plus b, that is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions have variables in them. Evaluate means to substitute. Sort of like football, when you send in the substitute player. So when we evaluate the expression 5x for x equals 2, it means we send 2 into the game in place of x. So since they're right next door to each other, that means multiply. So 5 times 2, and the answer is 10. They're telling you what number to put in place of the variable. That's called evaluating. So, there's going to be some problems like this. The directions say evaluate n plus 7 for each value of n. So for number 1, we're going to put 7 in place of n. So n plus 7, send in the substitute, 7 plus 7, and the answer is 14. Number 2, n plus 7 for 9. 9 goes in for n. 9 plus 7 is 16. And then for 4, number 3, n plus 7. 4 goes in for n. 4 plus 7, 11. That is evaluating, or sending in the substitute, doing the math and getting an answer. Sometimes the directions say evaluate for the given value. That means they're going to give you an algebraic expression like this one, and then they're going to give you the value to put in. That's why it says for x equals 9. Algebraic expression, given value. They're giving you the value. So you're going to put 9 in for x. So 3 times 9, because that's x minus 2. Well, 3 times 9 is 27, minus 2 is 25. What does this look like? This looks like the way we show work for order of operations, because remember, order of operations is a rule for all of math. It's not just a one-time lesson. So what we're doing here is we're evaluating by putting the 9 in for x, and then we're working the problem using the order of operations. Here's another one. N divided by 2 plus n for n equals 4. This is the algebraic expression. Here is the given value for n. Notice something. There's more than one n. We're going to have to put 4 into both spots for n. So let's do that. 4 divided by 2 plus 4. Order of operations, we have to divide first. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. That's the answer. Here's the next example. Algebraic expression, given value. We're going to substitute it in. So 6 times 2 to the second power plus 2 times 2. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. These parentheses are just showing multiplication. There's nothing to do inside them. So next is exponents. What is 2 to the second power? Well, that means 2 times 2. Write it down twice. So that's 6 times 4 plus, what is 2 times 2? 4. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 4. Whoops, I put a 27 for some reason. 24 plus 4. So that's what? 28. Here's an algebraic expression. Here are 2 given values. Instead of 1 variable, now we have 2. That's okay. That just means that for n, we're going to substitute 3, and for m, we substitute 4. We can do that. So 3 over 3 plus 2 times 4. Okay, well 3 over 3 is just 1, right? And 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer is 9. Time to practice. Everyone write this one down. Get it all perfectly, wonderfully worked out, get the right answer, and then turn the video back on. Okay, here we go. We got to put 2 in for all of our x's. So 2 goes here, and 2 goes here. Now we do the exponent. That's 4. So that's 5 times 4 plus 3 times 2. Now we get to multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 2 is 6. 20 plus 6 is 26. Hope you got it right. Here's your video homework. Get it all done. Bring it to class tomorrow. Have a nice evening.